if it was not a nice, yummy box, we never ate it. So, guys, it's so important for the dabba to look appealing, yummy, all of that. I don't mind taking this to work every day.
Hi.
Hi, Karishma. Thank you so much for filling this yum box with me, especially because this is your forte and we all are going to gain a lot of inspiration out of this. I literally will have to plan. Since I've been doing these videos, I'm noticing that I think I need to plan way in advance my children's menu for it to look so good. Well, you have to share all these recipes with everybody. We need these recipes for our kids, guys. So if you can just take us through what the thought process was and
Okay,
what
so
you've done.
I basically wanted something that's colorful
Yeah.
and also healthy.
Yeah.
So I've done oats and suji pancakes with spinach and beetroot just to give it that pop of color. And I've done like a dip, which is more like honestly a raita,
Yeah.
which is like a spinach and yogurt dip. So
Yeah.
again, there's a bit of spinach in it, so that taste is
Yeah.
there. Then I've got grapes, just the
Fruit.
the chewy, a few oats cookies, and cucumber. And I've just cut the cucumber a little fancy so everyone gets excited to hold and
Would you do
eat
this?
it.
Would you do this? If you do this, your child will never eat normal cucumbers ever again. And by the way, I don't know what your cookies look like when you bake them, or if you don't bake cookies, don't get complex, guys. These are what her cookies look like. Oh my god, this looks absolutely stunning, guys. It's actually
It's
not
very
that hard,
easy.
right?
It's
It's not that
genuinely
hard.
very easy.
Can you do like a little breakdown of like what kind of prep this takes so that we are motivated, normal
So
mothers like us, we are motivated.
So honestly, it's very easy. If you want to do the two color batter, what you can do is make one batter, steam your beetroot and your spinach separately, puree it, and then just divide it and add it and make that.
And how do you get this?
You just use a serrated knife.
Okay, yeah. But the whole thing coming together actually looks so nice. I remember when I was in school, I was just telling Anushka the same thing, that if it was not a nice, yummy box, we never ate it.
We never.
We always ate like a friend's box,
Yeah.
which had like this yummy element in it. So, guys, it's so important for the dabba to look appealing, yummy, all of that. Also, I feel like this, I don't have this box, and after seeing this, I'm actually very motivated to buy
Because
this.
it's so easy.
It's
Like
so
it tells
easy.
you what to put. So if you don't have cucumber, add carrots.
Yeah.
If you don't have grapes, add blueberries.
Yeah.
So it just will help you think.
Yeah, I think that, and also like it gives you the opportunity of giving them a little of everything.
And they love
So
variety.
yeah, exactly. They love variety. So thank you. This was amazing. Thank you for taking the time. And if you want to see more of this, please like, share, and subscribe to us. And Karishma is going to actually link recipes in our comment section. So until next time.